Morning, student. Welcome back to online classes. Today I am going to teach you new lesson, and the name of lesson is the two horses. So let begin with the lesson, the two horses. Once upon a time there lived a lot horses and a peasant horse. They were great friends. They talked a lot whenever they met. But one day the Lord Horse told something that badly hurts its friend's feelings. Lord Horse means Bhagwan Ghode. Peasant horse means किसान का घोड़ा, farmer horse. Hurt means pain, feeling of unhappiness because somebody has been unkind or unfair. So once upon a time there lived a Lord Horse and a peasant horse, and the name of these two friends were Lord Horse and a peasant horse, and they were very good friends, and they talked a lot whenever they met. Whenever they met, they talked too much. But one day, what happened? Do you know? Lord Horse hurts very badly to the pleasant horse, and he hurts pleasant horse feelings. See in this picture, the brown one is a peasant horse, and white one is a Lord Horse. Unlike me, you are a horse of common breed. Common breed means Saman Nasl, said he. I am always harnessed. Harness means tie, istamal, jotna. To a coach. Coach means instructor, and you to a wagon. Wagon. Wagon means a vehicle used for transporting good for specific purpose. I am fed on barley. Barley means jaw, and you mostly on straw. Straw matlab घास. Just look at me, see how beautiful are my legs and how spotless are my hooves. Spotless means perfectly clean, बेदाग, साफ सुथरा. Hooves means खुर, the hard part of the foot of the horse. Your legs are all caked with mud. Mud matlab matti. Which of us is more handsome, you or me? So, unlike me, you are a horse of common breed. You are a horse of common. Mm, mm, Lord Horse said to peasant horse that you are a horse of common breed. Means समान हॉर्स हो, तुम समान नस्ल के हॉर्स हो, और मुझे टाई करके जोतने के काम में लिया जाता है और तुमको ट्रांसपोर्टिंग के काम के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है. मुझे आई एम फेड ऑन बार्ली एंड यू मोस्टली ऑन स्ट्रॉ. मुझे जौ खाने को दिया जाता है और तुमको घास भूसे दिए जाते हैं. जस्ट लुक एट मी. मुझे देखो. सी हाउ ब्यूटिफुल आर माई लेग्स एंड हाउ स्पॉटलेस आर माई होप्स. मुझे देखो, मेरे लेग कितने साफ सुथरे हैं, कहीं पे भी दाग नहीं है. मेरे हुप्स, हुप्स मतलब खुर भी एकदम साफ सुथरे हैं. लेकिन तुम अपने लेग्स को देखो, वो हमेशा मड से सने हुए रहते हैं. विच ऑफ अस इज मोर हैंडसम. तुम ज़्यादा सुंदर हो कि मैं ज़्यादा सुंदर हूँ. विच ऑफ अस इज मोर हैंडसम, यू और मी. You of course, said the peasant horse. Peasant horse बोलते हैं of course you. Why? Because your legs are very beautiful and your hooves are spotless, but my legs are caked with mud, and I am not handsome, but you are very handsome. There are There you are, said the Lord Horse, lifting his head proudly. And when I run, it's a pleasure to watch me. I move as fast as wind, but you could never do it. No, of course not, said the peasant horse. There you are, said the Lord Horse, lifting. Lifting matlab ऊंचा. Lifting means raised to a higher position. Proudly means गर्वपूर्वक, है ना. लिफ्टिंग मतलब उठाना, गर्वपूर्वक. बाई हियरिंग दिस दैट यू ऑफ कोर्स यू आर मोर हैंडसम देन मी, देन लॉर्ड हॉर्स raised his head proudly and said, when I run, it is a pleasure to watch me. Pleasure means feeling of being happy or satisfied, प्रसन्नता या संतुष्टि. When I am running, it's pleasure to watch me. And I move as fast as wind, but you could not never do it. तो मैं इतना तेज विंड हवा के समान तेज दौड़ता हूँ, लेकिन तुम ऐसा नहीं कर सकते हो. No, of course not, said the pleasant horse. By hearing this word, the pleasant horse said that, of course I cannot do it that. You certainly can't, said the Lord Horse. It's no use talking about it even. You could not outrun a snail. Now, could you? You certainly can't, said the Lord Horse. Lord Horse said, you can't say that. It's no use talking about it even. अब इसका कोई यूज नहीं है. You could not outrun. Outrun means fast. Run fast. तेज दौड़ना. A snail. Snail मतलब धीरे चलने वाला. A type of animal with a soft body and no legs that is covered by a shell. Snail move very slowly. Do you know? Snail move very slowly. So, Lord Horse compare pleasant horse with a snail. This made Lord Horse very angry indeed. Angry मतलब गुस्सा. यह सुन करके लॉर्ड हॉर्स को बहुत गुस्सा आया कि तुम स्नेल के समान धीरे चलते हो. इंडीड मतलब वास्तव में. दिस मेड लॉर्ड हॉर्स very angry indeed. Really, this made Lord Horse very angry. Very well, said he. Well, I will see who run fast. Now, Lord Horse saying to the peasant horse, very well, very well, said he. We will see who run fast. Now, peasant horse saying that we will see who run fast, either I or you. And there it was agreed that they would run a race. Now both of them agreed to run a race. They would run circling the meadow. See here, both of them were circling in the meadow. Meadow means a field of grass, means घास का मैदान. And not stopping till one of them was defeated. Defeated मतलब हारा हुआ. To win a game against somebody. In pride and delight he called out, isn't it time for you to rest, my friend? You might get tired. The Lord Horse and there it was agreed that they would run a race. They would run circling the meadow and not stopping till one of them was defeated. So, both of them decided to run a race, and they won't stop till one of them was defeated, and they decided they used to run circling the meadow. The Lord Horse started off at once. Now Lord Horse started running a race. Immediately he started running a race. He went ahead and met the peasant horse. Now, when he was running peasant horse in the second round, he met a peasant horse. In pride and delight, he called out, "Isn't it time for you to rest, my friend? You might get tired." Now he was telling that, "Isn't it time for you to take a rest? You might get tired." Now, प्राइड मतलब अपने आप को बहुत ऊंचा, प्राइड मीन्स अ फीलिंग, गौरव महसूस करना। डिलाइट मतलब आनंद, मतलब प्लीजेंट, लॉर्ड हॉर्स को बहुत गर्व महसूस होता है, जॉय होता है। इजंट इट टाइम फॉर यू टू रेस्ट, वॉज टेलिंग टू द पीजेंट हॉर्स, इजंट टाइम फॉर यू टू रेस्ट माई फ्रेंड, यू माइट गेट टायर्ड, तुम थक जाओगे। So student, I hope this much portion is clear to you. In next video, I am going to explain you the remaining portion of the lesson. So let's see the difficult words which come across in today's portion. So, Lord's horse, Lords, Lord horse, Horse, peasant horse, Peasant apostrophe Shorse, peasant horse। लॉर्ड मतलब भगवान का घोड़ा, peasant मतलब किसान का घोड़ा। हर्ट, HURT, हर्ट, HURT, हर्ट। ब्रीड, BREED, ब्रीड, ब्रीड मतलब प्रजाति, नस्ल। हार्नेस्ड, HARNESSED, harness means tie। कोच, COACH, कोच, COACH, कोच। वैगन, WAGON, वैगन, WAGON, वैगन, a vehicle used for transporting good। barley, 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 jaw। straw, 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 घास। spotless, 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 spotless means without, मतलब साफ सुथरा, कोई भी दाग नहीं होना, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? स्पॉटलेस, परफेक्टली क्लीन, बेदाग। hooves, खुर, the hard part of the foot of horse। hooves, HOOFS, hooves। lifting, 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 raise to a higher position, उठाने की कोशिश करना। प्राउडली, PROUDLY, प्राउडली, प्राउडली मतलब गर्वपूर्वक। प्लेजर, PLEASURE, द फीलिंग ऑफ बीइंग हैप्पी और सेटिस्फाइड, प्रसन्नता या संतुष्टि। आउटरन, रन फास्ट, तेज दौड़ना। स्नेल, आउटरन, OUTRUN, outrun। snail, 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 snail means धीरे चलने वाला एनिमल, जानवर। a type of animal with a soft body and no legs that is covered by a shell. snail move very slowly। angry, angry मतलब ANGRY, गुस्सा। इंडीड, वास्तव में, रियली, INDEED, इंडीड। मिडो, MEADOW, मिडो। मिडो मतलब अ फील्ड ऑफ ग्रास, घास का मैदान. डिफीटेड, हारा हुआ. DEFEATED, defeated, to win a game against somebody. प्राइड, गर्व. PRIDE, प्राइड मतलब अ फीलिंग ऑफ डीप सेटिस्फैक्शन. गौरव. डिलाइट, डिलाइट मीन्स आनंद, जॉय. DELIGHT, delight. That's all, student. Next part I am going to teach you in the next class.